What happens the first 24 hours after all satellites go offline? It's called a satellite, a machine in orbit, and 1 second they all go offline. No warning, no explosion, just silence. GPS, gone. Your map app freezes. Your car doesn't know where it is, neither do planes. Your phone still works, but without satellites, it's flying blind. Military systems lose their eyes. Missiles, drones, defense radars, they go dark. Weather forecasts stop. Storms brew unnoticed. No early warning. Banking networks stagger. Stock markets choke. Transactions fail. Communication satellites vanish. TV signals drop. Internet speed crumbles. This isn't a bug. It's a system-wide collapse. No planes in the air. No cargo across oceans. No global coordination. 4 hours in, airports are locked down. Government channels scramble. By nightfall, the skies are quiet, but the ground shakes with confusion. And here's the thing, we have thousands of satellites. We depend on everyone. Lose them, and it's not just a signal loss. It's the world forgetting how to function. Not science fiction, a real possibility. We built our lives around machines above us, but we never ask. What happens when space goes silent?